Most people don't realize this, but rich kids are now being outpaced by poor students, and it's because of one recent AI release. For decades, private tutoring was the secret weapon of wealthy families. Ivy League-style teaching was basically locked behind money. If you grew up poor, you were expected to get lower grades, choose a cheaper path, settle for less. But something shocking happened this week. A free AI app just gave poor students access to the same level of personalized tutoring rich kids were paying thousands for. This isn't just homework help. This is Ivy League-level personalized coaching literally on your phone 24 hours a day. It explains like a human teacher. It shows step-by-step like a private math coach. It rewrites your writing like a Harvard editor. So what's the app? It's ChatGPT's new Tutor mode. Yes, Tutor mode free, meaning any student from any background now has access to a tutor that learns your weakness, adapts to your level, and teaches you the perfect explanation for your brain. And here's the crazy uncomfortable part. The poorest kid in the poorest school may suddenly become the smartest kid in the room. This is the first time in human history where intelligence is no longer limited by money. So if you're a student watching this, listen to me. Don't wait for your school. Don't wait for a system that never cared about you. Take the tutor. Use it daily, become unstoppable. Because the old world where rich kids had all the advantage just died last week.